All right, you're going to find it's hard to get your SD micro card out of here. So what you have to do is first you got to push against this. Don't put your thumb here on that crease so it pops. Let me do it this way so you can see. It pops open, and then you just open that up. And then there's your card. Now you may be able to push on it and get it to pop up, but what I do is I use these Apple tools that I bought for like a couple bucks on Amazon. I press on it, it pops that way. And then what I do is I use my tweezers to get it out. And I've got a 64 gig Evo Samsung. Now to put it in, you just push it there. And then you can push it with your finger, but sometimes it doesn't go in. So what I recommend is just going in there and using your Apple tools and get it in. To close it, pull it, pop it, bam, Bob's your uncle. And that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.